Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to import tokens in Metamask. Let's start. So importing tokens is probably one of the easiest ways to do that in Metamask. So, all you need to do is just to check right through here. You would be able to see this link. It's highlighted in blue for import tokens. So once you click on that, okay, it will give you this page wherein you could search what token that you're going to be importing. So say, for example, I don't have Cardano or ADA in my wallet. I would want to import that. So if you click on that, the import button will lit up. That means it's ready to import. Then just hit import and then you can see there. Let's try another example. Probably, what else do I have in here? I think you don't have. Okay, so what other tokens do we have? Say, I don't know if you can do this because, well, let's see if you can import there. Now, what if, for instance, it's a pre-sale token, or maybe when you go here, you would actually look for all list for the token that you're going to be searching for, but you cannot find it there. Next option would be custom token. So say, for instance, you don't know your the token is not displayed there. All you need to do is just to retrieve the contract address of that token. If not most, but if not all, I mean, in most cases, it would auto-populate like what kind of token that's gonna be in. So for this one, I want to import skill. So this is from Crypto Blades. So you could also import that, and once that's done, see, it would be placed here. So that's easy. That's how easy it is. And if you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please hit thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.